Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to stake Bittensor TAO. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar of it, you will have to type coinmarketcap.com. Once I've done that, you will be landed on CoinMarketCap, where you can use this search bar in the top, and you need to come to Bittensor TAO. Now over here, if you scroll down a bit, you are going to see this a Bittensor market, where you are going to see all of the exchanges on which you can purchase a Bittensor TAO. This includes Get.io, KuCoin, Maxi Global, BitGet, etc. So you can use these exchanges and you can purchase a Bittensor TAO from these. Now in order to stake it, you will have to first download the Bittensor TAO wallet. In order to do this, you just have to open a new tab, and then in the search bar, you will have to type bittensor.com. This will land you on the official website of Bittensor, where you will have to click on wallet, and in the wallet you are going to see this download it here section. So you will have to click on here, and then you will be redirected in your Chrome store. Now over here you need to click on add to Chrome, and then you need to click on add extension. Once done, the extension will be start downloading in your device. So you just have to wait for some time until it is downloading successfully. If you want to pin this extension, then you will have to click on this extension icon, and from here you just have to click on this pin icon right next to Bittensor wallet. After that, if you click on Bittensor wallet, then the pop-up of Bittensor wallet will open in front of you. That will look something like this. So over here you need to click on accept. Then it will show you that currently you don't have any account, so you just have to create your account. So you need to click on this plus icon, and after that you will be redirected over here, where you are going to see the address as well as the generated 12-word mnemonic seeds. So you just have to copy it, and then you need to proceed to the next step. After that, it will ask you to enter the words according to their number. So you just have to provide the fourth and the eighth code over here. This might be different in your case. After providing the number in your code that you have just copied previously, you will be redirected on the next page, where you will be asked to create a account name for yourself and create a strong password. So you need to fill out these details, and then you need to click on create account button in the bottom. Now once you have successfully created your account on Bittensor wallet, you will be redirected on this page, which is taostatus.io. Now over here, in order to stake your Bittensor TAO, you will have to click on the Bittensor extension. Here you are going to see the option of stake. So you simply need to click on stake, and then it will ask you to provide the delegator's address. So in order to get the delegator's address, you will have to navigate to the validators, and then you need to click on verified validators. Once done, you will be redirected on this page, where you are going to see a bunch of different validators. So you can choose any of these, and you will have to copy the address right next to it. After that, you will have to click on the Bittensor extension, and then you need to click on stake again. Now you will have to provide the address over here, and then it will show you the nominators, the total amount that you have staked, your stake, and your daily rewards. So over here you need to click on the stake tab, and this way you will be able to easily stake your Bittensor TAO. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.